known for is the giant shaman at the end of it. She sings and has massively fluid movement, and really is the key point of this entire ride. As you can see, it's one large reed boat with a bench seat that you fit on just fine. This point of view is through a dark ride, so there will be times it's hard to see everything.
Attention. We have encountered a brief delay. Please stay seated in your boat. Your journey through Pandora will resume shortly.
Oh, yeah.
It's a nice break from the heat, and the shaman is amazing, but if I'm being honest, the ride just is not great. You know, there's so much action in the movie, and then you get on this very lazy river almost floating through the scenery, and it's cute, and it's kind of cool with the bioluminescence, and all of that is really interesting, but ultimately, is there really a lot added to it? I feel like there were so many more options they could have done to make this a more interesting ride. And slow boat rides can be fun. Living with the Land is an absolute favorite of many people. So if you want to get on this ride, the lines are usually fairly long, but it's pretty fun still. I would use this for a lightning lane instead. But for me, it's definitely not on my must-do list. But it does pass the fat test. If you can step down into the boat, you are perfectly fine.
If you'd like to know if you can go on more journeys to other worlds, make sure to follow and check out this playlist.